With the brand new Morimoto XB LED headlights for the Yukon, you're going to get so many features that make modern headlights so attractive today. Triple bi-LED projectors, a super bright LED daytime running light, and a nice and sexy sequential LED turn signal. So for all you moms and dads out there who happen to drive Uber black or white at night, the Morimoto XB LED headlights are the good way for you to upgrade your Yukon to Escalade status. Let's go, baby. The design of the Morimoto XB LED headlights for the Yukon is reminiscent of the Escalade headlights with the stacked LED projectors, which is fitting to the overall design of these trucks. The LED daytime running light is powered by Osram 5K LEDs, and it's insanely bright, super visible during the daytime. That DRL is also going to dim down when the parking lights or low beams are on for compliance reasons. When the DRL activates, the projectors illuminate in a unique dual intensity startup sequence which looks killer. Just above that, the lights feature the trademark sequential turn signal that we've grown to love on so many of the other models from the Morimoto lineup. If you're not a fan of the sequential effect, no big deal. You can run the blinker in the standard mode too. All that goodness wrapped up inside a gloss black housing makes the XBs a killer aesthetic upgrade for any truck. But the real beauty here is that it's not all about looks. These things are quite functional too, and if you ask me, that's great because the old school halogen projectors are really lacking in the on-road illumination department, and well, it's a headlight, so yeah, that's important. The Morimoto XB LED headlights for the 15 to 19 GMC Yukon come standard with 3 high-output LED projectors. Yes, that is a total of 6 low beams and 4 high beams to illuminate the road ahead. Thanks to their uniquely shaped projector lenses paired with modern optics within, they're going to perform even better than they look. The full LED low and high beam are an instant upgrade over stock with a wider, brighter low beam and a high beam that will penetrate far into the distance with ease. To top that all off, these optics meet and exceed all SAE and DOT standards when aimed properly. As for wiring, Morimoto's LED headlights are designed to work with your Yukon without any modifications. No error codes, no flickering, no hyper flashing, no nonsense. We know you don't have any time to mess around with rewiring your truck, and that's not a problem here. If you like big light output and big style as much as you like big American trucks with big old American V8 under the hood, then you would like the new Morimoto XB LED headlights for the Yukon. These things are on sale now, guys. Go check them out.